We're here to install an exhaust fan, and I always get loud sounds in the background, so. Alright guys, it's late on a Friday. We're here to install the exhaust fan over at Danielle's house. So we'll go inside and show you what we got going on. Follow me, guys. I'm in slippers because you know what? My boots all day from New York especially. Alright, let's go upstairs. So housing, simple as that, brand new. And then we got this part, we have some zip ties. Almost like a check valve thing, you know, to stop yourself, any animals coming in. Alright, let's go upstairs, guys. I'll show you the bathroom. Right in the second floor. Look at this beautiful bathroom. All right, so that's what we're replacing. Putting a new switch on this side. So let's carefully remove this. You notice each side has one of these. Just take that out, squeeze it together. Right here too. So whichever that one was before, it was the hallway. Beautiful, that's the one we found.
Yeah, all the switches are off?
Yeah, everything in the bathroom is off, like nothing is on. All right, just a quick update, guys. You see a battery in there. It's all Wi-Fi.
The exhaust fan hose wasn't connected to the existing hose. It's brittle, broke off at the touch, barely even a touch. The loop's back there and it's fumbled up like a aluminum foil tube. But probably just gonna redirect this into the new exhaust fan.
You see some of the plex pipe and electrical wire. They never cut off that pipe, which if they cut off that pipe, this could be directly, that was a middle finger. Cutting off the pipe there and flexing it out into the fan. Oh, hold on. Now guys, all it was is this simple pipe that had to be cut out the way. So then this pipe right here, which is completely ruined, which for whatever reason was turned like this, therefore obstructing any kind of exhaust working in here and extracting the heat and moisture. As you see, the ceiling, the pipe that was there, it's pretty much cut. You see that? So now this, I gotta fine tune this little baby right here. I straighten it out. All right, so the reason why I'm putting this coupling here is just so it has some kind of a stronger grip. Last time, that whole flex you saw behind, which you won't see anymore here, somewhere behind that metal pipe right there, that was stretched out the pipe to like right here. Should have been cut, and for some reason this flex was round down here and all squished. But anyways, I'm gonna tape this up here to give it a more secure, tight fitting there, and then the next one will connect to the vent. So I got the tape on here, all right? And then the rest of the flex pipe continues here. But this, I gave a lot of tape. This thing will never come off again, all right? And giving this coupling here just gives it more security so this doesn't come out. Put a lot of tape around it, just make it secure a few times. And this, so this way it doesn't ever come off, all right? So shame, shame, shame to those who did the job up there and didn't like cut the pipe that was behind here. That was the main problem, and squeeze it all. All right, so we got that in there. Now I'm going to secure this again with more tape, ductwork tape, and this will be connected secure. That is taped in there both ways on the coupling down there that I showed you before, which is all the way down there. The coupling's in there. See how it doesn't bend? It's tight. And then now we're going to hook up the new exhaust fan. All right, fitting in that piece. Okay, so electrical in. This is where the exhaust is getting hooked up. Good, we got this tight here. Now, tight. Dude. All right. You want want it to be super secure because last time that was not, and we did use things that you use in a dryer, but I want it to be super secure, so there's many ways to get creative when doing things like this. So we got it all secure on inside, 2 screws over there, 2 screws there, just to make that nice and tight. Now putting in that nice cover. You guys might see there's holes there later on I'll fix because I still have to scrape all of this here. And then we plaster the ceiling compound. That area, you'll see it be fixed once I have to paint this area. All right, so we just turn on the breaker down here that we need for upstairs. All right, so the right connection is on for the exhaust. It's fully working like now it's supposed to. So this doesn't happen anymore because, going to reiterate one more time, the flex pipe that was in there for the exhaust was so crushed, wasn't working, and it was not even hooked up to the exhaust fan.
One eternity later.
All right, guys, I got the device. I'm gonna switch it up now, go to the front counter, and see if all the components are right inside. Well, let's go over this real quick. As you see this has a mount and more plugs here that plugs into the unit. Now we go look at that one, doesn't have it, you see that? All right, guys, sometimes that happens. People at Home Depot return things and they take them out and then they do some silly stuff like I showed you there. Now we got the piece that wire will connect right up there. You can't see it, but let's climb up. Connect right there. All right, time for the nightclub. Boom, 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 boom. Change the color. Boom, 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 boom. Change the color. Boom, but now it's blue. Wow, this is very nice. Okay. All right, guys, we're done. You see it's nighttime, and I'm off to see the wizard. I'm off to see the wizard. All right, guys, until next time, that was a really late service call. Be good, be amazing. Things happen, but always stay happy.